Hello guys, welcome to Cryptic Tech YouTube channel. I came with a very legit and latest update. Have you guys heard of Banana? Banana, the latest game in the Ton ecosystem, and it has hit 1 million users in just 72 hours, guys. And this game is powered by Cav, and Cav raised $50 million in funding and is now backing Banana. Like, they are backing Banana, guys. This is going to be a hit. Do you guys remember the last Banana game? Like, it gave a lot of users millions and thousands of dollars. So guys, I'll be teaching you guys the step-by-step guide on how to earn and farm Banana. So guys, check on the description. The link to this Banana is there. I'll be dropping the link on my description of this video. Check, you'll see the link to this Banana. So guys, this is Banana, and the first thing you do after clicking the link, this is what you see, and I will show you guys how to earn pews. Like, as you can see, I currently have 7,510 pews. So now guys, go to this tax. So just complete most of, although I've completed most tax already, so just click this, you join, then you go back, you click this also, you follow, then you go back. So now for every 3 tax you get a Banana. So after completing a tax, 3 tax, you get Banana for each tax. So you click on claim, and you see, so now to earn more, you can just share it to your friends. After claiming, just share it to your friends. Like me, I do send it to this pocket. So you go back, you claim again, you claim. So now after claiming 3 tax, after claiming 3 Banana, you click on this claim here, this claim, you click on it, you get a Banana. So now this Banana can be harvested. You can harvest this Banana. Like, you see this place, the Banana you claimed is here already. As you can see, the Banana is here, and you can also harvest this Banana. Like, they have lots and lots of Banana. As you can see, I have this Banana pool, S pool, Banana pews. All this doesn't worth anything, but you can also try your best and get this last one. This Acnenana, Matrixnana is worth, this one is worth $100, and this is worth $500. So when you claim this, when you get this, you can sell it immediately. Just list it in the marketplace. As you can see, you can just list, when you sell it, the dollars will be here. Just withdraw it to your Binance or Bybit, your trust wallet. So just, let's go back to the next task. So now to harvest, you click on this harvest, you click on it. I got an unripe Banana. So you just have to be lucky. Like, you can be lucky, you get Acnenana and all that. So just share to your friend, so you'll be able to claim more Banana. I've gotten another Banana here, so I'll harvest it again. A ripe Magnana, yeah, just share to you. If you're lucky, you get the one worth $500, and you can also sell it. So you have to tap to earn pews. Also, you can tap here. Like, I've done that already. So come to this bag here to equip. This is the one I'm currently using, 500 pews per day. As you can see, this is one I'm using, and it's worth $0.01. So you can sell. I've got this cream nana. I can sell it for pews. All these pews, I can sell this for 25 pews. I can sell this for 20 pews. I can sell this for 20. I can sell this for 15. but I'm just after the one worth $100 and $500, guys. This is very easy, very easy. You have to do this every day. You can claim banana every 7 hours. Yeah, as you can see, I still have about 54 minutes. But if you want to fasting this time, you can just click on this place. As you can see, this stuff, this bot here is being given to you each time you tap this banana, this place. Each time you tap, you get this. So I can just fasting. It's called a bar boost. As you can see, I've done it again. Hasting to 13 minutes. Done it again. As you can see, to 6 minutes. I don't think I'll be able to do that in 1 minute. Yeah, I think in a minute time I'll be able to claim banana, then harvested banana can be sold for $500, $100 if you are lucky. You can also refer your friends. To earn banana. So when you earn this banana, you harvest them to get more banana, to get more bags, and those either ripe banana or unripe banana. I hope you guys understand. So this is the latest game in Ton ecosystem, banana game in Ton ecosystem. I do know that this game will go far, and it will make us lots of money. So share to your friends, share your link to your friends. Earn this. At least it's still better than most of those tap like you tap like tap swap and hamster combat. But well, I think this will do well. This will actually do well. So just make sure you complete the tasks, claim, then tap. I think that should be all. Yes, that's all. Make sure you claim, tap. So guys, I think that's all for now. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, share to your loved ones, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the subscribe button, guys. See you guys next time.